Hi, I'm Arjun P. Gupta, an ape-loving and environmentally conscious citizen of one of the most polluted cities in the world. I'm an energy geek who loves to innovate at the intersection of engineering, policy, and business. I founded Smart Joules to remove 1 gigaton per year of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere by 2030 by changing the way large businesses manage their energy. Most of the energy businesses consume goes into utilities like cooling, heating, and compressed air. While what the businesses need and want is reliable, safe, cost efficient, and clean cooling, heating, and compressed air services, they end up having to design, finance, and build the infrastructure with inputs from consultants and contractors who don't have a stake in how the utilities are going to end up performing during their useful lives. And then they end up having to hire and train operations and maintenance teams who typically use thumb rules to operate these dynamic systems in a complex world where technology and operational realities are constantly changing. The casualty in this traditional process of delivering utility services is energy, which is actually a much bigger cost center than the infrastructure, equipment, and manpower costs put together. As a result of this complex web of misplaced incentives, priorities, and capabilities, Indian businesses routinely waste 30% of the energy they consume and burn whole percentage points of profit that they could have put to use towards growth and progress. Smart Joules makes saving energy simple and profitable for these businesses by bringing together servitization or as a service business models with our advanced digital technology platform called DJoule. For existing facilities, we offer massive reductions in energy consumption as a service by redesigning utility systems, investing in the highest efficiency equipment available, and continuously and automatically fine tuning operations using data and software. For new facilities, we build, own, and operate their major utilities, offering cooling, heating, and compressed air as a service at low costs with assured long term energy performance over the entire useful lifetime of the assets. Smart Joules started with an initial singular focus on the healthcare sector, and we have delivered more than 23% reduction in energy consumption on average for most of the large healthcare chains in India across 15 different cities. With this initial success and momentum, our passionate team is now expanding our services to other commercial buildings and other energy guzzling industries such as pharmaceuticals, data centers, and food and beverage. We invite you to support us in our quest to extend the world's carbon budget by 1 year while making conscious businesses more profitable, more responsible, and more resilient. Thank you.